Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Submersible clear water pump from Parkside, the model PETPK 400A1. Ideal for emptying swimming pools, pumping out and transferring water. Power consumption 400 watts, max flow 10,000 liters per hour, max delivery height 7 meters, with max submergence depth 7 meters. Accessories included with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice package. Included we have in the manual, one pull rope, 8 meters, nylon. We have the combination adapter, the quick connection, this button. You can unscrew that. Silicone rubber with metal. Out, it says here, so you can install it this way. And you can install different diameter of hoses. Nice. And of course here it is the connection, silicone rubber around for the pump. And press this red button to remove. So easy. Silicone rubber and it locks. Press again to unlock. You can rotate, of course, 360 degrees. Nice. We have the flow out switch with a holder. You can install that here. On a different height, you can adjust, press and adjust up and down. It locks. Find the right position. Nice. Parkside logo, very robust pump, I like that. We have the cable holder here. Wow. With a power cord length 10 meters. That is definitely very convenient. I like it. The power cord. You can have the cable here at this position for storage. So let's give it a test, see how it works. With its robust 400 watts motor and impressive flow rate, the water pump makes quick work of transferring or draining clear water from various sources. Whether it's emptying your hot tub, clearing out a floated basement or cellar, or simply transferring water between containers, this pump tackles it with ease. The automatic floating switch is a fantastic feature, allowing for hands-free operation and peace of mind, automatically turning the pump on and off as water levels change. And with its universal hose adapter, connecting it to your existing hoses is a breeze. So if you are looking for an affordable, dependable and easy to use solution for clear water pumping needs, this one is definitely a top contender. It's simple, effective and ready when you need it most. If this video helped you understand more about the submersible water pump, please give us a big thumbs up, it really supports our channel. And for more practical tool reviews, DIY guides and essential home improvement insights, make sure you are subscribed and have hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks so much for watching everyone, until next time, stay dry, stay prepared and we'll see you in the next video.